Hello and welcome back to the Universal Light channel, where we explore the wonders of science and spirituality. In today's video, we'll be discussing the fascinating topic of muscle memory and repetition and the science behind skill mastery. To understand the concept of muscle memory and repetition, we need to dive into the inner workings of our brain. Our brain has an incredible ability to adapt and learn through repetition. This phenomenon is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change and reorganize itself throughout our lives in response to our environment and experiences. When we learn new skills or perform an action repeatedly, our brain creates new neural pathways and strengthens existing ones. These neural pathways become more efficient over time, and the action becomes easier and more automatic. This is what we call muscle memory. Muscle memory is not actually stored in the muscles themselves but rather in the brain. It is the process of the brain memorizing motor skills and the sequence of movements needed to perform an action. The more we repeat an action, the stronger the neural pathway becomes, making the action easier to perform. But how does repetition affect our brain on a physiological level? Studies have shown that when we repeat an action, our brain releases a chemical called dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in learning and reward processing. Dopamine is released when we experience pleasure or reward. When we repeat an action, our brain recognizes it as a pleasurable experience, and the release of dopamine reinforces the neural pathway, making it more efficient and easier to perform. Repetition not only strengthens the neural pathway but also activates the myelin sheath that surrounds the neurons. The myelin sheath acts like insulation, allowing electrical impulses to travel more quickly and efficiently along the neural pathway. The more we repeat an action, the thicker the myelin sheath becomes, making the neural pathway even more efficient. Now that we understand the science behind muscle memory and repetition, how can we apply it to our daily lives? Whether it's learning a new skill, playing a musical instrument, or mastering a sport, repetition is the key to success. The more we practice, the better we become, and the more automatic the action becomes. By repeating an action, we strengthen the neural pathway, making the action easier and more efficient to perform. So next time you want to master a new skill, remember that it's not just about talent, but about repetition and the science behind muscle memory. Thank you for watching this video on the Universal Light channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos on the wonders of science and spirituality.